Good day, guys. Welcome to this lesson. Today we're looking at mathematics on the topic that says indices. Indices is the plural of the word index. Index of a number is a power to which that number is raised. Index of a number is the power to which that number is raised. So when you have a raised to power 4, it means a times a times a times a. This is power, or you call it index, A is the base. For the purpose of this topic, we'll be looking at laws of indices for better understanding of what I'm talking about. Number one, we have what we call multiplication law. We have a raised to power. It says that a raised to power x times a raised to power y is equal to a raised to power x plus y. The second one is division law. It states that a raised to power x divided by a raised to power y is equal to a raised to power x minus y. This minus. The third one is what we call zero index. A raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Number 4 is what we call negative index. A raised to power minus 1 is equal to 1 over a raised to power 1. Okay? The minus index changes changes to 1. Number 5 is power index. Power index, bracket open, a raised to power x, bracket closes, times, and to another power, which is y, will give us a raised to power x times y, which is a raised to power xy. So fractional index involves fraction. And we know when we have a fraction like example, 3 all over 4. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So it means, look at here, it means that the numerator becomes the power of a, while the denominator, which is y, becomes the root. Please take note. Let's look at the examples of these laws. Let's look at multiplication law. We have example 5 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power minus 2. Give 5 raised to power 3 plus, in bracket, minus 2. So this will give 5 raised to power 1, which is the same thing as 5. Let's look at 5 raised to power 2x plus 1 times 5 raised to power x plus 1, which is equal to 5 raised to power 2x plus 1, then plus x plus 1. This is equal to 2x, 2x plus 1x, that's 3x, 3x, 1 plus 1, that's 2 plus 2. This is your answer. Let's look at another example. When you have 3, 1 over 2 times 3, 3 all over 2. This will give us 3, 1 over 2 plus 3 all over 2, which is equal to 3, 1 plus 3 all over 2, which is equal to 3, 4 all over 2, which is equal to 3, 3 raised to the power 2, which is equal to 3 times 3 is 9. So these are some of the examples of multiplication law. Let's look at division law. So when you have division law, let's look at 5 raised to power 2 divided by 5 raised to power 3. This will give us 5 raised to power 2 minus 3, which is equal to 5 raised to power minus 1. This is the same thing as 5, 1 over 5 raised to power 1, which is when you apply negative index, which is 1 over 1 over 1 over 5. This is the answer. Okay, let's do another example. 3, 3x plus 1 divided by 3, 2x, sorry, 1, 2 minus 2x. So let's solve. This is the same thing as 3, 3x plus 1. Then because this is division law, it will be minus bracket 2 minus 2x. Okay, take note of this sign. So this will give us 3. This times this will give us plus. This minus times minus will give us plus. This will now be 2x plus 5x plus 2x. 3x plus 2x, which is 5x. 5x. So we have plus 1 minus 2 will give us minus 1. Minus 1. So this is the answer. I hope it's understood. I hope it's understood. We're looking at 0 index. Let's look at 0 index. 0 index, when you have 3 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so if you have 3 raised to power 3 divided by 3 raised to power 3 divided by 3 raised to power 3, it means 3 raised to power 3 all over 3 raised to power 3, which is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 all over 3 times 3 times 3. So all of them will just cancel each other. So what we'll be having is 1. So the same way, if we should do it here, it means 3 raised to power 3 minus 3, which is 3 raised to power 0, which is equal to 1. So take note. This is for 0 index. I hope it's understood. Let's look at negative index. Let's look at negative index. So when you have 5 raised to power minus 2, 1 over 5 raised to power what? 2, which is equal to 1 over 25. Is the answer. Okay, when you have 10 raised to power 3, which is equal to 1 over 10 raised to power 3, minus 3, which is equal to 1 over 2 to 3. This is the answer. Okay, let's look at power index. In power index, you have 5 raised to power 2, all in bracket 3, which is equal to 5. 2 times 3, which is equal to 5 raised to power 6. You want, you can multiply out. Okay. So we have another one. 2 raised to power 1 raised to power 2 times 4, which is equal to 2 raised to power 2 times 4, which is equal to 2 raised to power 8. Can also multiply out. Okay, let's look at the last one we have for today, which is fractional index. Fractional index. So we have, when you have 2 raised to power, okay, let's say 4 raised to power 1 over 2, which is equal to square root 4. The denominator becomes the root, while the numerator becomes 1. Okay, this is equal to 2 raised to power 1, which is equal to 2. So when you have another one, let's look at 8 raised to power 2 all over 3. This is equals to this 8. The numerator, the denominator becomes the root, while the numerator becomes what? The power. See? So this gives us 2 raised to power 2, which is equal to 4. Please, I would like you to solve this. Put the answer on the comment section. Thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe and follow.